Hi, I'd like to provide the 2 to 3 minute walkthrough of my CLI project. The basis of my project is essentially getting recipes from a website. The idea was that the user would select the specific type of cuisine that they would like. Once they select that cuisine, it would list 25 recipes of that specific cuisine. And then from there, the user can select the specific recipe that they wish to get more information on. The information that should be provided is the serving size, nutritional information, um, the ingredients, and also the methods. So a quick demonstration of my project. In the beginning, it would list all the different types of cuisines from the specific website that I scraped. It would have, 16 options, a bunch of different cuisines. From here, you would select the type of cuisine you wish to go to. So let's say we go into Indian. Once you select that, it will list out 25 options of the Indian recipes that they want. In these recipes, they would list how long it would take, and the difficulty. There's two sets of difficulty. There's easy and more effort. A majority of these are easy. There's specific ones that are more effort. Those are usually the ones that take more than 1 hour. And then from here, the user would go through the recipes and select the specific recipe that they want more information on. So we can go to creamy masala chicken, type in 20. And then here, it will list out all the information about creamy masala chicken. It should say serving. It will say serves for, all the nutritional information. So the calorie, fat, saturates, carbs, sugars, fibers, protein, and salt. And then it will also list out all the ingredients you would need. So here, and also tells you a little bit more information about what you want to do with those ingredients, chopped, if you want, cubed, oil you would need, what type of spices. And then from here, the last output would be the methods of this specific recipe. So it will list out all the steps you need to take to do this recipe. So once the user selects this, but if the user wants to go look at another specific Indian cuisine, they would just have to type in back. And then from here, it will list out all the recipes again that are of Indian cuisine. From here, then, he wants to eat healthy. So he goes to healthier chicken, balta, and then here would show all the, servings, nutritional information, ingredients. But let's say that they thought that they did not want Indian food, so they go back to the cuisine list. You just type in list, and you would go back to the cuisines. Let's say you want to go make Japanese today, 9. From here, a bunch of different options, but they decide not to go back. So all you have to do is type in list to go back. And then from here, they decide, hey, I'm not hungry. So you just type exit. And that is my program. Thank you.